Hi guys, my name's Mitz and I'm going to show you how to make a quiz for TikTok or whatever. So it'll be like a long form video, but it's not really a video, they're just animated pictures. So what you want to do is go to Canva, it's canva.com. Now you can do this even if you've got a free account, sign up for it, it's free. So, but there is some limitations, but most of this you can do. You can even put voiceovers on the video, but only a certain amount. So let's check it out. So you're in Canva and you've signed in and you type in quiz into the search and just press enter. So it'll come up with some templates that we can use. So you can choose any of these, but you want to change them a bit. So just choose one that looks quite simple. It's got it's got a fancy animation going across the screen. But anyway, all right, we're just going to press on this one, any one you like, and then press customize this template. Now I'm going to show you what I did. I've made a few of these, but yeah, to make them faster, it's best to get everything in order first and make a template out of it. So just for an example, we could change this here. Just double click on it and you can write whatever you want. There was two sets of writing in there, obviously. So I've got this one. And there's three. There's three layers to this. There we go. We can write our own quiz up there. Just add some text in. Add a text box. We're going to keep it simple. I'm actually just going to leave that last part there. I think it looks good in black. This one is the question here. We're going to double click on it and we're going to change that. We're just going to change that to question. We're not going to fill in all the details because we're going to bulk import the data. So we've got three sections here. So what we're going to do, looks like we're on the answers page actually. If you have a look, that one's orange. So we'll go back over here. And so there's two pages. There's the question page and then there's the answers page. So, but I still have the question on the answers page as well. So that's okay. So this is the question as well. So we're typing question in there. This one is the first choice. We're just going to write first. You can put anything you like, but it has to be the same as what's on the Excel document that I'm going to upload. So this is why I'm putting first choice, second choice, and third choice. Okay. Because I am going to make that document right now. So we've got first choice, second choice, third choice. Now they are the multi-choice answers that you can choose from. Then we go to the answer page. So click on this page and they've already highlighted the answer. But I'm just going to let the answer be written here because it might be longer than just one word. So just going to type answer. And it depends what writing you want it in. You can change that as well. Now I am just going to delete these ones. I'm just going to delete some of these petitions in between this as well. And I'm just, yeah, maybe we'll center that, just center that. Just go up the top here, it's got alignment straight away. So, get rid of that down there. So what have we got? We've got a question and an answer. This is the answer section. And then if we go back, this is the timeline here. If we go back, we've got question, first choice, second choice, third choice. Let's get rid of that. Select it and delete. Okay, so we've got 2 pages. Now we want to go and create the questions, and we only want 3 answers. Very short ones too. So we've got to tell that to ChatGPT when we make it. And let's go and have a look. So we'll go to ChatGPT. I already had a quiz ready, but it's got 3 answers in it. So we're going to do another one. So what we do is we tell ChatGPT what to make a quiz about. So let's say we just make a gardening quiz. So we say create a quiz about gardening. Let's say medicinal herbs and only provide one word multiple choice. Create a quiz about medical herbs or whatever. I wanted medicinal herbs. Medicinal herbs. And only provide one word multiple choice, comma, 3 choices only. Let's see what happens. That's it. Give it to me. So we've got the question, and we've got the answer, and yep, we've got everything we wanted, and it's only one word. Well, actually, it's had a bit of a problem, so we're just going to regenerate. It happens sometimes. So that worked out well, but now I want to put it in a table so that Canva can understand it. So this is where my first choice, second choice, third choice comes in, and also where my question and answer section where I wrote comes in as well. Okay, so now I've got to make it into a table. So create a table from this quiz these columns. Oh, it's a question first. Question, comma, first choice, comma, second choice, comma, third choice, comma, and answer. Okay, so I have misspelt that one, so fix that up. You don't have to fix it up because it should know what you're talking about. So create a table from this quiz, make these columns, question, first choice, second choice, third choice, answer. create a downloadable file. You can even, it'll definitely give you a CSV file, which is that is for Excel, but I'll write it there anyway. So let's do that. So we're going to change that quiz that we got into a table. So let's have a look. But we're also going to make it a downloadable file, so we don't have to do anything. So this is what it's doing. This is the code to make it. So as you can see, it's got the questions. So there, they've picked out all the questions and putting them in the question column. And then we've got first choice, and there are all the first choices, second, third, and then there's all the answers. Bang. Okay. Still going. It's going to give me a file in a minute, which I can download. Now that file is going to go into my downloads folder. It's usually just in the file. Yeah, you could just see it up on the right hand side. You'll be able to see downloads. Or if you're using what's it called? Google Chrome, you'll see your downloads up the top. So here's my file that I just created. So press on it. Now because I'm using Google Chrome, I only have to go up the top on the right hand corner, which I can't show you because it's out of view, but there's an arrow there and it comes up with the recently downloaded. So it's going to be in my downloads folder. So there it is there, medicinal herbs quiz. It's even called that. Thank you very much. So ChatGPT just delivered the quiz, made it into a downloadable file, and now I'm going to go to Canva, wherever I was before, which is here, because I've already edited these parts here to fit what I want. So now I'm going to go down this sidebar here and I'm going to look for when it says bulk create. Okay, so press on that and I want to upload data just here. I don't want to enter it in manually. Right, so upload the data. It's going straight to my downloads folder because I've already been there. So it usually comes up in this left pane here. So there it is. I'm going to click on it and press open. Okay, so it has come out with my column things already. See, third choice, answer. Right, so what I have to do is that question has to be associated with this question. So what I want to do now, because I've got this ready to go, and it says connect your data. Okay, so I'm going to go click on that, and as you can see, it's come up here with connect data. So I'm going to connect that to question. Okay, so now it's got those funny brackets around it. So now I'm going to go to the next one, connect data, and go first choice, connect data, second choice, connect data, third choice, and I'm going to go down here and click on the answer one because we have answer. Actually this writing does not look good, so we need to quickly change that before we no, not that one. Oops, changed the wrong one. Not that one, this one. Why isn't it doing it? I'm going to delete it and then write answer again quickly. No, not with that. I'm going to delete the whole thing. Well, it's gone now. It's underneath somewhere. So I'm going to go up to text on the left over there and add a text box. It's very tiny and I can hardly see it, but I'm going to write answer and I'm going to increase the size so we can all see it. That'd be nice. And I'm going to make it black. I'll go up the top here and choose this color palette and go over and just press black. Okay, maybe bold as well. Just to be simple, we're not going to do too much. So now we want to move that up there. So we're going to grab this and move it up here. Now the answer is just a one-word answer. So we're going to put that there. Okay, so we've got answer and question. So question. Now we want to go back to bulk create, so we can go back and do this. And you can see the connect data button comes up. Connect the question, connect the answer. So these ones are connected. Let's go back and check the other ones. So we've got the question connected on this page. And yep, we've got everything connected. All right, so now I'm just going to press continue. And it is going to import all of this. And we're going to see a lot more of these come up because we're going to have a question and answer, a question and answer, a question and answer like that. We're going to have 7 questions. So I press generate. Yep. Now what it's done is generated every one. Now I just realised I've got question time here and then I've removed the colour off this one here. But we've already done it. But of course I could go back because it's opened up another window up the top here. I can go back to the first one and fix it up if I want to. So let's do it. We'll just go delete and delete. We'll leave that there. And that's the same now. So we can go back. I'm going to delete those ones quickly. And we're going to go back to our original, which is just in the next tab back, because they made another tab. So when I press this again, it's going to make another tab. So you watch that. So we've been taken to another tab up the top, and we've got it. Now we've got them the same colour and everything like that. So now there's a couple of things you can do. Now you can animate it if you want to. So let's select it and press animate, and then this comes up. Right, the animate is just on this row up here. So when you've selected the whole lot, this has got a lot of detail to it, this one. When you select the whole lot, the button comes up to animate it. So you can also go and have a look for it in the menu, but you can, I think it already had some animations in there already for this with the template, but you can press on any one you want and make it different. Okay. So, and you can animate them all at once, or you can animate it one at a time. Okay, I finished the video and I actually, it's ready to go. It's got all the voiceovers in it and all that, so I'm just go up to that share button up in the right hand corner up here on Canva and press download. It's already come up with suggested MP4 because I chose a template that already had that all set up. So it's all in the right whatever I need. It's got all the pages included, and it's going to be downloaded in one full file. So I'll press download. It'll take a little bit to do, because I have got a few questions in there and a lot of voiceover and stuff like that. So that's what it's up to at the moment. Now when it's done, I'll play that for you. While we're waiting for that to download, I'm just going to do a quick voiceover again. So where are we? I'll just choose a slide. We'll go back to the first slide because I didn't like the voice anyway, but I'm just going to show you the woman's voice. So I'll click on this, press copy, go over here. Now remember, if you want to find the voiceover, you just go to apps and then search for voiceover and press on the blue icon with the microphone. It's pretty easy. And you will get some free, or you'll probably get to do maybe one video with the free version. So let's choose Rachel. Okay, Rachel, let's do it.
Which herb is traditionally used to aid digestion? Which herb is traditionally used to aid digestion?
Okay, she's not too bad. Anyway, I'll stick with the guy, even though he kind of mucked up at the start. I'll show you. But I've downloaded it, so what we want to do is go and play it now. So I'm in Chrome, so I can go up to the arrow up the top, and it's called Purple and Blue Bold Animated Quiz.
Chai, and welcome to this quiz. Let's go. Which herb is traditionally used to aid digestion? I bet you thought the answer was lavender. The answer is mint. Which herb is known for its anti-inflammatory properties? The answer is ginger. Did you get that right? Okay, here's the next question. Which herb is commonly used to help soothe sore throats? Is it thyme, cilantro, or parsley? I had no idea, but the answer is thyme. Which herb is believed to enhance memory and cognitive function? I think I even know this one. Did you guess it? The answer is rosemary. Which herb is used for its calming and sleep-inducing effects? The answer is chamomile. Okay, next question. Which herb is used to relieve nausea? This herb has so many uses. The answer is ginger. Which herb has natural antibacterial properties and is used in skincare? The answer is one of my favorite herbs, lavender. If you enjoyed this quiz, like and follow to see more. Chai, and welcome to this quiz. Let's go.
Okay, so that was it. So that was the downloaded version of that. But the thing is, I noticed a lot of little problems in there. One of them was that some of them weren't long enough to have a look at the question. Like, you'd have to go through, you'd have to test it out, pull them out a bit, just give them a little bit more time to see that question if you're on the question page. That's about it. Also, it'd be good to have a different colour background that blended in. One thing I can show you is if you press on position up here, you'll see it up in this top menu. Then you can go to layers, and this is the background I've got at the moment. It is grey, and I probably prefer something like that. But yeah, that's about it. That's my only couple of problems there. But what you've got to do is start off with a good template. Now, the first part that I showed you earlier is when I imported all the bulk data into these, and it created that video for me, and all I had to do was put voiceovers on it and put a couple of transitions in between. But this one here, we could save this as a template and use it for next time. And we can go back to ChatGPT and generate some more questions. So, and it doesn't have to be about gardening, it can be about anything. So we can save this template. So we go up to that share button up in the right hand corner again. Right up in the right hand corner it says share. And go to download. Oh no, actually make a brand template. There we go, press on that. And it'll say where do you want to save it, and we want to save it into our projects. Okay, there it is there, and we just press publish. So that is going to take this template over to my projects folder. If you want to find your project folder in Canva, just go up to Canva and press on it, and then you'll see this search here. There's one way to get to it. You just press to use the search, and you can search your projects or templates. So I just, go in here, and these are the templates that are actually here to use, and here's the projects that we've saved. So you can also go to this menu up here, which is the home menu, and it'll have home and projects right there. Press on that and it'll take you to projects. So we've got, it also put the finished products in there, but this one here is the one that I saved, and yeah, I wouldn't mind changing the name. So I'm going to press on edit, and I'm going to change the name to Good Template. Let's see if that works. Okay, so it says Good Template. Alright, let's change the name. Now I want to know that because these are all just ones that I've, well, this was when I did it, I had two different things. Now this one here is the full version of what I've made already. It doesn't need to keep all these things. All I did was look at this one and it's come up. I didn't even save it or anything, so yeah, don't need that. Could delete it. Says move to trash. Let's do it. So make sure this is organised, because otherwise you'll get confused. I'd move this one to the trash as well, because it's got an error in it. This is the main template, but that's the finished product right there. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.